Manipur Radiological Society na Sinduna Third Annual Conference of Manipur Radiological Society CONRAD 2025 Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS ke BANTING hold PANGTHOKKHRE Imaging the Precision Healing with Proposed Haiba Team the PANGTHOKKIBA Thauram aduda Hanagi Health Minister Dr. Ranjan Sapam Professor Z. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS Imphal Amadi Professor N. Sanjip Singh, Medical Superintendent RIMS na Athoiba Mithunglen Singh Oina Sarugyaki, Lonina Professor S. Subhas Chandra Singh, Organizing Chairman CONRAD 2025, Dr. N. Thompson Luwang, Secretary, Manipur Radiological Society Su Sarugyaki. Dr. Ranjan Sapam na haikibada radiologist Singhi Mahutta Saukhatpagi Matung Inna AI na advanced oiba technology single lonina achoba role ama lowri adubu Dr. Singh nasu kathokpa amaga lonina anaba singi damak mathau pangtok pagi damak thagatpa fongdoki.
From the public of what should be done and what should not be done, I think what we need is we should all sit together through the medical organization and other, only medical, I should say, and try and find out the solution, because we know that how sincere the doctors are working day and night, and there has been a lot of issues about doctors being allowed private practice, or doctors